Morning. Now, we know that Johnny and Amber's trial stopped for the moment. I think it's coming back on the 15th of May. Don't quote me on that, but I've heard it on the grapevine somewhere around there. We've seen her performance, and I just want to do a little prediction of what's going to happen. Just from my own personal experiences of being in court with a toxic person, and also just being around toxic people in general, just the progression of things that they do. Now, we've seen Amber up on the dock looking very sorry for herself and trying to play the victim, not very well at all, while she's been questioned by her own attorney. Now, my prediction for when Johnny's attorneys start questioning her is she's going to be different. She's played the victim so far, and I know from personal experience they can't keep it up. They can't keep up the act. She has done for the moment because she's not getting those questions from Johnny's attorney yet. When she does, she's going to change. She'll play the victim still, but I know for a fact she's not going to be able to contain her anger. It's something that she's not going to be able to do because of her personality, toxic personalities. She's going to get very frustrated. She'll get upset. I know she will. She'll cry, but it won't be for the fact of what she's experienced through domestic violence. It's going to be the fact that she's losing control. She'll lose control of the situation. She'll lose control over the questions like she has done already. Not so much anger, but she forgets what she's talking about, especially when she gets stopped. And that's another thing, I find it very funny. She'll be crying and telling a story, and then Johnny's attorney will object, and the crying will stop. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way at all. You're stuck in that thought pattern. You're stuck in that time when it's going on, especially when you've been abused. You're reliving the moments, and you can't just turn off the taps like that. It just doesn't work that way. And especially when she was explaining the violation with a bottle. Now, I've been violated, and you don't just feel pressure. You know exactly what's going on, even without an implement. And you don't feel embarrassed about it. You feel ashamed. You feel degraded. You feel so many different other things than embarrassment. And she's not explaining any of those sorts of things because it didn't happen. You can't explain something that didn't happen. You can only explain it when it's happened to you. And from a psychological point of view, there's so much detail that you do remember when you're reliving it. She goes through certain things and she'll be trying to explain something, and then it'll stop because she's not got that memory there or that emotion behind it of that incident to actually express it in front of court. And it just shows how fake she is. My mind goes to bits because of it. She's just one of these people that are fake. But yeah, my prediction is that once she starts being questioned by Johnny's attorneys, she's going to play the victim, and not very well. And then when she sees things aren't going her way, or feels that she isn't getting a point across, that people aren't believing her, she's going to turn. For starters, I think she's going to act like a bit of a spoiled brat, defiant look, and not bothering, not giving a toss what his attorney's saying. then I think the more that she gets questioned and the more that she skirts around the answers like she has been doing, the more she's going to get frustrated, the more she's going to get angry, and the more we're going to see the real her. So yeah, just watch this space. I'd like to see if my predictions are right, so I'm sure I'll be pointing them out if I am. But this is just stuff that I've learnt over the years from my own experiences of how toxic people behave, and the tricks that they pull, the lies that they tell, the playing the victim, guilt trips and things like that, you know. She won't be able to hold her tongue, and there's nobody there except for her attorney that can stop it, you know. Obviously he'll be objecting to things and trying to stop Amber from cocking up, which is what she's going to do. I mean, I've been watching some of her other trial back along a few years ago, and she had her attorney there basically coaching her what to say and what not to say, stopping her when she was going over the top and saying things that she shouldn't say. Now she hasn't got that. She will just keep blurting out word salad, as they call it. It's just unrelevant situations and observations that aren't necessary for this court, or for the trial, sorry. Like she has been doing already. She's been beating around the bush, stalling, because she's not got the memories there to back up her claims. And yeah, she's going to get very frustrated, and I reckon she's going to get very angry when it all starts up again. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, actually. Just for my own, how can I say, not for my own benefit, but for my own peace of mind that what I know to be true is true. It's just a thing from being abused and being told that you're a liar and certain things aren't true. It's just part of being abused. You start doubting your own thoughts, and it's nice to have a bit of backup, really, that what you're thinking is true and what you're thinking is right. So yeah, it's going to be a little bit of just a little bit of proof to myself that what I think and what I know about toxic people and their behaviour is correct. And obviously I'll be pointing it out if I am. I'll be pointing it out if I'm not, you know. Either way, right or wrong, I'm not shy. I don't care. You know, I will back down if I am wrong. You know, I'm not that sort of person to back up my, you know, to not back down from my claims, if you know what I mean. I like to learn. I like to be corrected when I am wrong, you know, and if I see it for myself, yeah, and if other people can point it out for me, yeah, you know, as long as it is that I am being wrong. But we shall see. Looking forward to it. Thank you. See you all again. Bye bye.